Next, blood groups A, B, RH. If blood is clumped with A antigens is called A blood group. There is no antigens. There is no antigen. There is no RH antigens. So it is called A negative blood group A, because of the antibodies react with A antigens. So it is called A blood group. There is no RH antigens. So it is called A negative. Clumping occurs between the antigen A and antigen A and antibody A. Clumping occurs, important point. Clumping occurs between the antigen A and antibody A. Our blood not clumping because our blood, suppose my blood is B positive, B blood group. B blood group, my blood RBC contains B antigens, plasma contains A antibodies. Clumping occurs only between the antigen A and antibody A. యాంటీజన్ ఏ అయి ఉండాలా, యాంటీబాడీ కూడా ఏనే అయి ఉండాలి, అప్పుడే క్లంపింగ్ జరుగుతుంది. లేకపోతే మన బాడీలో ఎవరి బాడీలో వాళ్ళ బాడీ, ఎవరి బాడీలో బ్లడ్ వాళ్ళది క్లంప్ అవుతూ ఉంటుంది. క్లంప్ అవ్వాలంటే మెయిన్ రూల్ అది. బ్లడ్ టైప్ ఏ నెగిటివ్. ఏ నెగిటివ్ పర్సన్స్ డొనేట్ బ్లడ్ టు ఏ పాజిటివ్ పర్సన్, ఏ నెగిటివ్ పర్సన్. AB positive person, AB negative person. A negative person receive blood from A negative persons and O negative persons. A negative persons receives blood from A negative persons or O negative persons. Next, clumping here. This blood type is A positive, A blood group. RH antigens are present in. These are clumped with RH antibodies. So, this blood type is A positive. A positive. A positive persons donate blood to A positive and AB positive only. A positive and AB positive only. A positive persons receives blood from A negative persons, O negative persons, A positive persons, O positive persons. O positive persons. చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ అండి. Clumping with B antigens. This blood group is B. There is no antigens, so it is called B negative. Next, B negative persons donate blood to B negative persons, AB negative persons, B positive persons, AB positive persons. B negative persons receives blood from B negative persons and O negative persons. B negative and O negative. This is B positive. RH antigens are present. This is RBC. RBC surface contains, plasma membrane contains B antigens and RH antigens. So it is called B positive. B positive persons donate blood to B positive and AB positive persons. B positive and AB positive persons. B positive persons receives blood from B positive, O positive and B negative and O negative. B negative and O negative. Clumping with A, clumping with B. Blood type is AB negative. There is no antigens, RH antigens. So blood type is AB negative. AB negative donates blood to AB negative and AB positive persons. AB negative and AB positive persons. AB negative persons receives blood from AB negative, A negative, B negative, AB negative and O negative. O negative. AB positive. The RBC surface, the surface of RBC contains three types of antigens. Three types of antigens. Surface of antigens. Surface of RBC contains three types of antigens: A antigen, B antigen and RH antigen. So blood type is AB positive. In AB positive, the plasma membrane of RBC contains three types of antigens. AB positive persons donates blood AB positive only. AB positive only. AB positive persons receives blood from A positive negative and B positive negative and AB positive negative and O positive negative. It is perfect recipient. Perfect recipient. So AB positive is universal recipient. AB positive is universal recipient. It is perfect recipient. Next, the surface of antigens has any type of antigens. The surface of antigens does not any type of antigens. So it is called O negative. O negative. O negative persons donate blood to AB positive negative, A positive negative, B positive negative, AB positive negative and O positive negative. It receives blood from only O negative. Only O negative. It is perfect donor. It is perfect donor. O negative is perfect donor. So, universal donor is O negative. Universal recipient is A positive, AB positive. AB positive. Universal donor is O negative. Now RBC contains only single antigen, RH antigen, is called O positive. O positive. The blood type is O positive. O positive persons donate blood to A positive, B positive, AB positive and O positive. O positive persons receives blood from O positive and O negative. O positive and O negative. The risk persons are O negative persons. They receives only O negative. Only O negative persons. Antigens and antibodies. Antigens and antibodies are glycoproteins. Antigens and antibodies are glycoproteins. Next, possibilities of blood groups. Possibilities of blood groups. If father is O blood group and mother is O blood group, the possibility of child contain O blood group. Only O blood group. If father is O blood group and mother is A blood group, the possible blood groups in children are this O blood group. Father contains O blood group, mother contains A blood group. A blood group. The possibilities are the possibility blood groups are A blood group, O blood group. Father is O blood group and mother is A blood group. A blood group. The possible blood groups in children are A blood group or O blood group. If mother is heterozygous condition, if mother is homozygous condition, IO into IA. If mother is homozygous condition, homozygous to A, the blood groups are only A. Gives A blood group because A is dominant. Mother is heterozygous condition. If mother is heterozygous condition, the possible blood groups are A or O. If mother is homozygous condition, homozygous. This is heterozygous. If mother is homozygous condition, the possible blood group is only A blood group. Next, father is O blood group, mother is AB blood group. The possible blood groups are O blood group and B blood group. If mother is homozygous to B blood group, the children contains only B blood group. If father is O blood group, mother is AB blood group. Father is O blood group and mother is AB blood group. Father O blood group, mother is AB blood group. The possible bloods are the possible blood groups are A and B. It gives A blood group, gives B blood group. If father is O blood group and mother is AB blood group, the possible blood groups in children is A and B blood group, If father is A blood group, mother is A blood group. The blood groups are A. If father is A blood group, mother is A blood group. These two are homozygous. These two are homozygous gives only A blood group. If two are heterozygous, IO, father is heterozygous to A, mother is heterozygous to A. This gives A blood group and O blood group. Mother and father are homozygous to A, the child contain only A blood group. If both are heterozygous to A, the possible blood groups are A and O. Next, A and B blood group. A and B. Father is A, mother is B. Father is A and mother is B. These two are heterozygous condition. The possible blood is gives AB blood group, gives A blood group, gives B blood group, gives O blood group. The possible blood groups are if mother and father are heterozygous to A blood group and B blood group, the childs contain all the blood groups. The childs contain, the possibility is 4 blood groups: AB blood group, A blood group, B blood group, O blood group. If father and mother is homozygous, IA into IA, IB and IB. This gives AB blood group. If mother and father are heterozygous to A and B, the child contains all four blood groups. Contains possibilities all 4 blood groups, any of the blood group. But father and mother are homozygous to A and B. The possible blood group is only AB. Father is A blood group, mother is AB blood group. The possible blood groups in children is A, B, AB. If mother is heterozygous condition only. If mother is heterozygous, IAO into A, B gives A blood group, AB blood group, and a B blood group. These 3 possible blood groups are formed during the father is heterozygous condition, heterozygous to A. If father is homozygous, A, IA, father is homozygous into mother is IAIB. The possible blood groups are A, AB. If father is heterozygous to A, this forms A blood group, B blood group, AB blood group. If father is homozygous to A, the childs contain only A and AB blood group. If father and mother both are B blood group, the childs contain the possible of blood group in childs O and B. If father and mother are homozygous to B blood group, this gives only B blood group. If father and mother are homozygous to B blood group, the possible blood group in children is only B. If father and mother both are heterozygous, IB, IO, both are heterozygous to B. These forms B blood group and O blood group. The possible blood groups are O blood group and B blood group. If both are heterozygous to B. If one are heterozygous and one are homozygous, the possible blood group is only B blood group, because I is recessive. It gives B blood group. So, father and mother both are heterozygous condition to B blood group. That gives only A, O and B blood groups. If Father is B blood group. Father is B blood group. Mother is AB blood group. AB blood group gives AB blood, A blood, B blood, B blood. Father is heterozygous to B. Heterozygous to B. They gives A blood group, B blood group or AB blood group. If father is homozygous gives AB blood group, gives AB blood and B blood group. AB blood and B blood group. If both are AB blood group, gives A blood group, AB blood group, AB, B. Father and mother both are AB blood group. Both are AB blood group. There is no homozygous, the heterozygous condition. Both are AB blood group. The child possibility of blood groups are A blood group, B blood group and AB blood group. A blood group, AB blood group and B blood group. This is the blood groups. Next, heart is pumping organ or pulsatile organ. Heart is pumping station. Pumping station in our body is heart. Pacemaker. Pacemaker is SA node, pace setter. Pace setter is SA node. Pace setter is AB node. Pumping station is heart. Pacemaker is SA node. Pace setter is AB node. Next, P wave. P wave indicates atrial depolarization. Atrial depolarization. Beginning of P wave, SA node initiate impulse. These impulse spread throughout the atria. It causes atrial contraction. Atrial depolarization means atrial contraction. Atrial systole. Systole means contraction. Diastole means relaxation. Atrial systole or atrial contraction or atrial depolarizations occurs in the P wave. Next, QRS complex. QRS complex indicates ventricular depolarization. Ventricular depolarization. It means ventricle contraction. This impulse reaches the AV node to bundle of his to Purkinje fibers, entire ventricles. Starting of Q wave. After Q wave, it indicates the starting of ventricular contraction. After Q wave, starting of ventricular contraction or ventricular depolarization. This conduction center causes the entire ventricle contraction. QRS complex indicates the ventricular contraction. It indicates the first heart sound. Number of Q waves indicates number of heartbeats. Number of Q wave indicates number of heartbeats. Next, T wave. T wave indicates the repolarization. Repolarization of ventricle. Ventricle contraction, ventricle depolarization, ventricle repolarization. Repolarization means relaxation. Relaxation of ventricle. Contraction of ventricle indicates QRS complex. Relaxation of ventricle indicates T wave. Second heart sound indicates T wave. T wave indicates second heart sound, dub sound. The end of the T wave indicates the end of ventricular systole. End of ventricular systole. It means end of the T wave indicates the end of the ventricular systole. Ventricular systole means contraction. జనరల్ మనం ఏం చెప్తామంటే ఇక్కడ టీ వేవ్ ఇండికేట్స్ వెంట్రికులర్ డయాస్టోల్ అని చెప్తాం. కానీ ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుందంటే ఎండ్ ఆఫ్ ది టీ వేవ్ ఇండికేట్స్ ద ఎండ్ ఆఫ్ ది వెంట్రికులర్ సిస్టోల్. సిస్టోల్ మీన్స్ అంటే వెంట్రికులర్ సిస్టోల్. వెంట్రికల్స్ ఏమవుతుందంటే ఇక్కడ కాంట్రాక్షన్ అవుతుంది. క్యూఆర్ఎస్ కాంప్లెక్స్ లో కాంట్రాక్షన్ అయింది. ఈ పొజిషన్ లో ఉన్నది ఏమవుతుందంటే రిలాక్సేషన్ లోకి రావాలా. అంటే టీ వేవ్ ఇండికేట్స్ ఏం చేస్తుందంటే రిలాక్సేషన్ ఇండికేట్ చేస్తుంది. ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుంది, ఈ కాంట్రాక్షన్ అనేది ఎండ్ ఎప్పుడు అవుతుందంటే టీ వేవ్ ఎండింగ్ అప్పుడు సిస్టోల్ ఎండింగ్ కి వచ్చేస్తుంది. అంటే రిలాక్సేషన్ లోకి వచ్చేస్తుంది. సిస్టోల్ ప్లేస్ లో మనకి ఏమవుతుందంటే కంప్లీట్ డయాస్టోల్ లోకి వచ్చేస్తుంది. కంప్లీట్ డయాస్టోల్ లోకి వచ్చిందంటే ఏమవుతుందంటే అక్కడ సిస్టోల్ అనేది ఎండ్ అయిపోతుంది. అంటే కాంట్రాక్షన్ ఎండ్ అవటం వల్ల సిస్టోల్ మనకి స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది. Important point. End of the T wave indicates the end of the systole. Next, heart sounds. This is graphical representation. This is time. Intensity. This indicates first heart sound. This is second heart sound. First heart sound is dull and prolonged. Intensity, low intensity, and time taken, more time taken. Dull and prolonged. It is sharp and shorter time, and high pitch of sound. First heart sound, lub sound is caused by systolic sound. It is diastolic sound, ventricular systolic sound. It is ventricular diastolic sound. It is caused by closure of AV valves. It is caused by closure of semilunar valves. PPP sound caused by cardiac arrest. Next, another sound, murmur sound. Murmur sound is caused by the volume increased blood volume increased in the blood causes murmur sound, or defect in the valves or narrowing of the blood vessels, defect in the valves and blood volume increase in the heart causes murmur sounds.